Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to show you guys how to activate Windows 10 through phone or Skype connection. So this should be a fairly quick tutorial and we're going to jump right into it. And we're going to start by opening up the start menu. And you want to either left click on the little icon that looks like a gear when you hover over it and it says settings, or type in settings into the start menu to search. And you want to left click to open it up. And now they're in settings, what you want to do now would be to go down until you get to update and security. And now on the left side, you want to left click on activation. And now there would be an option here to activate by phone. You would left click on that option if your edition of Windows 10 was not activated. And then you'd be prompted to enter in your country or region. And then you would call a number through Skype. And then you would enter in an identification number, and then hopefully that would be able to activate your computer. So I do hope this brief tutorial was able to help you guys out and point you in the right direction. And as always, thank you for watching, and I will catch you in the next tutorial. Goodbye.